Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Show you how the pumpkin them stay now. So soon harvest time for the pumpkin them. So you can keep on watching. Yeah man, if you don't know, say Fire Reid is a pumpkin farmer. He loving pumpkin farming, you know. So just keep on watching. Yeah man, you can see bees them at work. Yeah man, the bees them at work, you know. I'll show you something. Look at this. So this would be the male flower, the flowers of the plant. This is the male. You can break it off. So this is the male. As you can look inside, you can see it. So I'm gonna show you. So this one right here is the female. You see the difference? So these are the female. You can see the difference. So you see a one stem like. I can look at the female now. So this is the female one. So this is how pollination take place. Yeah, you can pop off. Yeah, so you can pop off this from around it. Yeah man, so you see it? Pop it off. And you can use this to pollinate. Just rub it. So that is one way how you can do some pollination. So may I show you some different kind of pumpkin. So take a walk with me with Fire Reid on him farm, just some true Jamaican vibes. Yeah man, a lot of pumpkin. You know pumpkin have a lot of health benefits. So all you have to do, just take up some seed and just plant it. Pumpkin don't need a lot of attention. Just plant some pumpkin. And this is also organic. Organic, what I use to spray it, I use some cayenne pepper and some neem leaf. So what I do, I get a drum and I also get some cayenne pepper and I use the neem leaf. You know neem leaf have a lot of health benefit and also bitter. So I use the neem leaf and put it in a drum and pour some water upon it and put some cayenne pepper inside of it. So that is what I use as my organic spray. So yeah man, as you can see it, look at the pumpkin. You hear the sound of this one? Very, very solid. So you hear the difference now, people. This one kind of sound hollow. So this one not really fit as yet. Can't tell the difference. And hear this one again. This one sound more solider. And also, you can check the stem. Look at this one. This one right beside the pumpkin. So you realize that this one kind of dry down. So that for sure so this pumpkin almost ready. So that is the way you can tell when the pumpkin soon ready for harvest. Look at this one right here. This one right behind the pumpkin stem. You see it more greener. So this one are really ready as yet. So these pumpkin I plant the seeds Some of them green and some of them are dry the seed and plant it. As I said, if you plant the seed green, you're gonna get a lot of different types of pumpkin. A variety of pumpkin you plant it green. But if you plant it dry, you're gonna get the same strain of pumpkin them. Most of them. Most of them. Yeah man, so you see it? Yeah man, on the pumpkin farm. So here's some paper. You know your pumpkin here weigh like 20 pounds. And pumpkin don't really like too much water and you don't really like too much dryness also. Just have to just balance. Yeah man, this one we like about 20 pounds. So remember we have a storm, tropical storm Ida the other day, a lot of rain. Rain fall like about 2 days of rain. So the pumpkin them get a lot of water, which is not good for the pumpkin. Not so good for the pumpkin. Too much water, not good all the time. So soon harvesting time. Have some nice quality pumpkin. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I go and see them way on the farm. So a lot of persons don't really want to get up and farm something in the backyard. Just farm something, man. And I go see the beauty if you see it grow. It's a good look. When you see put on some blossom. Yeah man, see the bees them at work. So it's a lot of pumpkin. Pumpkin goes straight out. Lot of pumpkin. This is one side of the pumpkin. I have the other side also. So you see that one here? I'm calling one of the curry pumpkin, you know? The color it. I'm calling one of the curry pumpkin. It give you a curry looking. So yes, so people, so nothing cannot beat farming. Nothing cannot beat farming. A lot of persons like get up a morning time thinking about wondering what to do. Sometimes you have a lot of land around us. We need to just get up and farm something. Just get up and farm something, no matter how it be. Just put a seed inside of the earth. So they say, where you sow or where you reap. And that is so true. So just sow some good seed and you're going to see the benefit of the good seed. If you sow bad seed, that's what you're going to reap. So just farm something, no matter what. Yeah man, see it there? A lot of pumpkin, guys. So in my spare time, this is what I do, farming. I like farming a lot. Can't forget them days here. Can't forget them days here because farming, growing up as a youth, can't remember them days mom used to take me on the farm, show me a different routine. You know hear me say though? I don't say my daddy, you know. I say my mother. He used to take me on the farm. So big up my mother, anywhere she there. You don't know say. You know say I like to see your son right now up on the farm right now, so big up yourself. Yes, some people. Same time we have some bird pepper right here, you see it? A lot of bird peppers. And you know say bird pepper is a bird pepper good for the prostate. So yeah man, all the man them know so they have them prostate and thing. Need to take up on a bird pepper and thing, you know. Just pick the bird pepper, can put it inside the house and store it. Every morning you can wake up, you can take at least 2 of the bird pepper them. And you can just pick it off of the tree if you have a bird pepper tree around. You can pick it right from it and take it. So yeah man, so this is the bird pepper, you know. And also it's very good to season the pot also. You cook some ackee and saltfish same way. Just put some bird pepper in it, my people. Very nice. Yeah man, you can see. Still I show you what I go and see them way. A lot of pumpkin. Even though during the pandemic right now, you know say a lot of hotel kind of closed down, so you can realize the market and stuff right now. We don't have as much market out there. So sometimes we have pumpkin waste, but normally I don't really make my pumpkin waste. Just always like put some things in place, put some animal in place. So normally what you don't give away, you just use the pumpkin them and feed the animal them. So you can put something in place for that, because you know in this pandemic right now, a lot of things change. A lot of crops don't really get out there. A lot of crops just are waste. The government don't really put nothing in place for that. So we still have to give thanks same way. And because of that, we're not going to really give up on farming, because it's just everybody has faced this crisis now. The corona. So all over the world have faced this. But I only can speak for Jamaica at the moment. So yes, the paper. Good look on the pumpkin farm here. And you can see I have a little bit of, not as much worms would have disturbed the plant them and so, because as I told you, I use cayenne pepper and neem. The neem leaf. Yeah man, you see them pumpkin here? Yeah man, cayenne pepper and neem leaf. Just put it in a bucket and leave it for like at least 3 days. Yeah man, the pumpkin farm nice. And see how far I walk from. Can't finish walk out this a pumpkin farm so easy. A lot of pumpkin the people. Yeah man, so always remember to like up the video and share it across different platforms so you can reach a lot of persons. Yeah, because yeah man, I have to be careful how I walk, you know, because I don't really want to pop off in the pumpkin them. So this side not really bear as much, because as you can see, we have a tree right here. This is a mango tree. This is a common mango tree. So you realize the tree kind of cover this section. So you're not really see as much bearing as you don't want to see the pumpkin bear, because it's caused by the tree. So a lot of persons maybe get up a farm underneath tree. It's not healthy to farm underneath tree, because the crops them need a lot of sunlight. Yeah, you can see this part over here not really bear that much, because I think it's affected by the tree. Yeah man, so now if you know them things that when come in a farming, you know. See how long me I walk, alright? Just buck up on one and now see it. And you see how long me I walk over this side, so it's kind of affected by the tree. So I just buck up on one. Yeah, so that one like the crocodile pumpkin, you know? Have the skin like a crocodile. So yes, my people, thank you all for watching my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. One love, one heart.